Kia ora koutou katoa, ko Tuihana Oihia tōku ingoa no Tauranga Moana, Tauranga Tangata. Kia ora, my name is Tuihana Oihia and I hail from a beautiful place called Tauranga Moana. I am very proud to announce that I am the first of a number of presenters in this year's Kia Whiti Tonu 2021 series. The first of the sessions, which I said I'm delivering, is around well-being, and it is Te Whare o Haura, or our House of Wellbeing. One of the concerns that was raised in the survey that we did last year was with regards to how our well-being is compromised within many of our community and NGOs as we experience much more pressure with regards to delivering services during these times. And the pau of Te Whare Tapawha is something that we're going to delve into. We're going to delve into it. We're going to go into interactive breakout rooms. We're going to talk about our lived experiences. We're going to talk about our stories. We're going to create and confirm what is our whare of well-being. So what is our house? What is the house that we create for our well-being? It's going to be a very practical skills workshop, things that you can take away, things that you can share within your workplaces, your whānau, and within your communities. It'll give you a set of tools that I think a lot of us need during these uncertain times. So I look forward to you joining us on Tuesday the 24th of March. I'll see you there. Kia ora.